Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Salesforce Shield to protect customer data step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup option located in the upper right corner. In the Quick Find box, type Shield. Select Salesforce Shield from the search results. Review the available features of Salesforce Shield, including platform encryption, event monitoring, and field audit trail. Determine which features will best protect your customer data. Next, locate the Get Started button or a similar call to action. Click on the button to initiate the subscription process. You may be required to verify your account credentials at this stage. Once verified, you will be directed to the subscription details page. Review the pricing and terms of service for Salesforce Shield. Follow the prompts to complete your billing information. Make sure to check for any additional features you may want to include. Once all information is entered, submit your subscription order. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription. Return to the Setup menu in Salesforce. Go back to the Shield section to configure your chosen features. Take the time to set up platform encryption according to your organizational needs. Enable event monitoring for enhanced visibility into your data usage. Lastly, set up field audit trail to track changes to sensitive customer data. Your Salesforce Shield subscription is now active, providing enhanced protection for customer data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.